that was it. That was a little tour of where I am. Don't eat my phone. She wrapped her chops around my phone. Mia. Mia, come here. She's way over there.
Pictures on that.
She doesn't even know it's over.
Hey! Me fags! Hey!
Only time like 10 minutes. Like, I'm Uncle Bill. She's Auntie Jean.
You need a cigar then? You idiot!
You. Oh. We're sitting in the same spot we were sitting in like 2 days ago, except today it's very cloudy and there's a thunderstorm coming through the night. Woohoo! It is raining now. I had to run back in for something. Big clouds, really big clouds, hot rain. Confused Scottish kiddo doesn't know how to cope with the weather. What? I got it, yeah. It was only night. It's raining. I'm vlogging about it. Bye. Nothing new for us except it's hot.
Right, stop filming now. Do you hear it?
Yeah, hear it.
Right, shall I stop filming now?
Stop filming now.
Charlotte.